Hello Ecamm fam, once again, back with another quick video. I posted a video, I think it was last week, regarding my current setup as a musician. Having trouble with the new Mac Mini M1 chip. When I say having trouble, I was basically having trouble connecting my Zoom Livetrak L8, which is the device that I use for my sound. So I decided to try and use MainStage and route that back through via loopback. That worked reasonably well, but I do miss my desk and the ability to just use the switches on the fly and make sure I can change my volumes and so on, which I can do in MainStage, but I do like having a device on the desk. So what I've done now is to work around the fact that it won't recognize my Zoom Livetrak. I have used my Scarlett 2i2 interface, and I've come out of the Zoom Livetrak into that, and that's how I've got it working at the minute. But I'll just show you quickly with a little tour, just using my iPhone to show you. This is the Zoom Livetrak L8. It's a fantastic little desk. It has built-in effects, built-in EQ. It's got little things like this, which you can program any sounds to. I think it's a bit like what's the other one that everyone uses? There's another one that my mind's gone blank now, but yeah, it's a brilliant device to be using for your live streams. But as you can see, just behind it there, I've got the Focusrite 2i2. So what I've done is, because the Mac Mini does recognise the Focusrite without any issues, I've gone into the line in there. You can see my green circle showing that I've got sound coming through and everything's okay, it's on green. And I've come out of the headphone, one of the headphone jacks on the Zoom, directly into that. So yeah, that's the workaround at the minute. I think it sounds fine. I'd like any feedback would be great on this. What I'll do is I'll play a little tune, and then you can tell me how you think it sounds. But also, whilst I'm here, I do need to tidy my desk. A couple of things that I've recently purchased: the CalDigit to go with the I think it's called a dock, isn't it? Dock Rock recommendation. Yeah. I'm absolutely delighted with that. It's given me so many more inputs. Bought the little Samsung T7 as well for extra storage. Yeah, so this is all relatively new. I do need to tidy this desk, as you can see. So yeah, there's my iPad there. Yeah, so I'll flick back to a different screen. Put my phone down. Yes, so I will demonstrate the sound that you can get out of this Zoom Livetrak L8. I'm pretty sure it'll be even better if it was going directly into the Mac Mini, but like I say, it's not possible at the minute because the driver's just not recognised. So rather than just have it sat there doing nothing, I just thought, why don't I try and stick it into the Scarlett and see how it goes. So yeah, we'll give this a go. And we'll see how it sounds. Stick some effects on. And then, if anyone knows this song, they can sing along to it, because I've got the words and the chords coming up on the screen for you. In the water, fire, I'll go wherever you go. In the valley, in the canyon, I'll go wherever you go. Hey love, I'm ready now. Can't you see this riot inside of my veins? Hey love, in the water, fire. I'll go wherever you go, in the valley, in the canyons. I'll go wherever you go. Hey love, it's been 3 years now since you hear from Jesus and his chosen men. Hey love, you'll twist and turn till your colors wither and there'll be no men. In the water, fire, I'll go wherever you go, in the valley, in the canyon. I'll go wherever you go, in the water, fire. I'll go wherever you go, in the valley, in the canyons. I'll go wherever you go. Oh Lebanon, life is brief, don't sit alone in your constant fear. Open up, I shan't be like another. Oh Lebanon, oh Lebanon, life is brief, don't sit alone in your constant fear. Open up, I ain't be like another. Thank you very much. Hopefully that sounded okay. But yeah, anyone who would like a little bit more information on my current setup, yeah, please feel free to ask any questions, and I will jump on at some point and actually brave a live session. Just building my confidence up a little bit with that kind of thing. But yeah, hopefully see you soon, and any questions, just let me know. Okay, cheers.